Hi guys, I'm Heather from Strings and Threads. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Battle of the Stitches and this is the reveal day. So I'm going to go over what we do for the reveal day. And if you want to learn more about it, I have videos linked in my description. And earlier this month, the first video I did of it this month, I explained the whole thing. But for those of you who were guessing, did you guess it right? Let me show you what I did. The stitch this month is the fan lace stitch, and I did a bookmark. And the thing I love about this, I did use thread yarn, but look at how beautiful and lacy it turned out with the thread yarn. And this is thin, so it's not going to make your book like wide open. This will close, this will be in your book and it will be all the way closed. That's the thing I like about it. So that was my project this month. What we do now is today was the day we revealed everything, and we're going to put voting polls up on my channel for the project that you liked best. So go check out the other people participating this month. I'm pre-recording, so I know for sure that Teresa from Crochet is doing it because we do this together every month, but we invite up to 2 other people to join us. So I will make sure I link in the description who we have this month, because I had to pre-record this because I am having knee replacement surgery in June, and I'm not sure how up to filming I'm going to be. And I don't want to delay Battle of the Stitches. I want to make sure we're still doing it and moving forward with it. So sorry, that's a long story, but that's why I'm pre-recording it, and I don't know right now if there are other people participating with us. So just check that out and make sure you go to their channels and watch what their reveal project is, and then come back and vote in the voting poll for the one you like the best. If you leave a comment, see, when you vote, all we see are numbers, but if you leave a comment, we'll know that you have voted and we'll put you in for a giveaway. And next week, we're going to be doing a live, and we'll do a spinny wheel to choose the winner. And the winner will get to choose whichever project they like best, and we'll ship it to you. So that's how this part works. And if you're a content creator and you'd love to join us, get in touch with either me or Teresa, and we can get you set up for a month. I think we're pretty open right now as of the recording of this. I'm recording this in May, so I'm sorry that I'm so far ahead. It's just that, like I said, I'm having that knee surgery and I'm trying to prepare myself. I want to make sure I'm not falling behind. So if you wanted to participate, let us know, and we will find the month and the stitch that you want to do with us. So I hope to see you guys all next week in our live. We're going to do the live on Teresa's channel. It's always on Teresa's channel. And we have a Facebook group if you want to come and show projects on the Facebook group. If you're not a content creator, or you just are shy and you don't want to show your work in a video, but you want to come over and show it in the Facebook group, that would be great. We have a lot of fun over there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week on Teresa's channel for the live. Bye.